Here we are at TPC Sugarloaf. We're a 27-hole facility here in Duluth, Georgia. We did a renovation in 2017 through 2019 where we switched from bent grass greens to Tiff-Eagle Bermudagrass. And then we also switched the short grass, the tees, fairways, and approaches from GM1 Bermudagrass to Zeon Zoysia. The regrowth of the GM1 is very prevalent in our fairways. It's something we're constantly having to stay on top of. The level of control with Fusilade 2 to this point has allowed us to manage the Bermudagrass in the fairways and prevent the rapid spread of the Bermudagrass in the fairways. Here at Sugarloaf, we were part of a trial with Syngenta in which they combined recognition and Fusilade 2 for the eradication of Bermudagrass in the fairways. The turf quality with Fusilade 2 without recognition has been good as long as we are spraying at lower rates at tighter intervals. This is proven to, once again, manage the Bermudagrass, not necessarily eradicate it. The plot size in the trial was about 500 square feet. The results were excellent for what we could see. The one-time application that we did reduced the amount of Bermudagrass greatly in this area as compared to areas that are directly beside them within that plot. When they said they wanted to come do a trial here at Sugarloaf, I jumped at it. I was very excited to see what the product could do after hearing all the research and all the data that had come out of it. When this becomes available, I plan to buy up as much as it takes to treat every bit of zoysia I have. Because upon initial review, it works. This could be a game changer.